Hi everyone, Ian Kahangara here, ready to answer your questions that you've pushed through our various social media handles for Oak Fund. And for the first question we have is from Tashiyaki 9677 at Tashiyaki 9677. They are asking a question: do you compound? If yes, when do you compound? Take me through this, please. This reminds me of a question that we answered another day from Ruth, if I recall correctly. And they're asking, how fast do we compound on investments? If you take an example of deposits, whereby if you deposit for 3 months and you redeem, then you can reinvest the money you have plus interest so that you can earn more. I'll say, when you invest in our funds, you do not need to withdraw and reinvest for you to have your funds compound. On a fund level, every income that is earned, whether it has been received or not, is credited to your account on a daily basis. So essentially, or logically looking at it, it looks like your funds compound on a daily basis, because all profits realized are credited onto your account. However, if you go to the underlying assets, each asset and each trade will compound literally differently based on its nature. And on this, I'm going to take an example of, let's say, a treasury bond. When you have a treasury bond that you've bought, and maybe it's a 5-year treasury bond that has been bought into the fund, as much as you are accruing coupon, the coupon will be accrued within a certain period, but at some point it's going to be delivered to our bank accounts. At that very moment is the only time we can take that income and reinvest to get more income. So maybe if we bought a bond that has 4 months to the next coupon maturity, after 4 months, that's when we are going to reinvest the coupon. However, you can look at other simple trades whereby we can be maybe just trading on a stock, maybe a US stock. So we bought NVIDIA, and after 2-3 days, we closed out the position and got the cash. So after 2 or 3 days, the total capital gain is already available for us for reinvestment. So on such an asset, after 2 days, we are compounding. So it's specific to each trade on compounding. However, from a fund level and from an individual level, note that all incomes are recognized on a daily basis, and essentially, or logically speaking, looks like it's compounding on a daily basis. But our target returns in on the overall gain for your fund in a year. Thank you. Yours truly, Ian Kahangara, Director, Global Markets, and I'll be happy to answer any further questions from you. Thank you and bye.